Well, Adidas is still trying to dump some of that Yeezy stock, and with the latest sale, I picked up my first pair of 500s, the Yeezy 500 in ash gray.
Vaughan Jog Vlog. Like, comment, share, follow, subscribe, because fuck Google.
This is a shoe that has grown on me. When first saw on pictures, I thought, okay, so it doesn't look as colorful as some of the others. Is it kind of a middle child? Why the 500? Hell, it doesn't even have boost. You want me to drop $210 on a shoe that doesn't have boost? Come on, Adidas, what are we doing here? But seeing in person and wearing on feet, I've livened up to this shoe. I just wish I had them in a different size. The 500 is constructed out of great suede, has this amazing rubber outsole with this alien pattern that I wish I could actually look at, but I'm wearing it and they're on my feet and you can't see it, but I think it looks really cool. And this mesh that pops out the side, like it's forcing its way through. It reminds me of a xenomorph from the Alien franchise. Was there not a way that they could have branded this as such? Reflective lining across, and there is a little hint of leather, but only a tiny bit. And right here, you've got some Audi preen. But that's not boost. Why am I paying $210 for a shoe that doesn't have boost, huh? Inside, you've got an ortholite insole. That's the only place where you're gonna find Yeezy and Adidas branding. No hidden 3 stripes on this shoe. Well, okay, actually, I misspoke. There is an Adidas and there's the 3 stripes, but yeah, okay, you understand what I'm saying, right? For this release, the box is a typical Yeezy box. It's actually branded Yeezy, and they seem to be afraid to do that with other Yeezy drops of late. I don't know why. And unlike the last go around, there is no preachy tribal elite message, probably because a circumstance overseas has American opinion differing on that whole group. Regardless, Adidas says that proceeds from this sale go to fighting discrimination against those people. I wore the 500 ash gray to the movies over the weekend. You can't really tell that much happened over here, even though I stepped on a lot of popcorn that I spilled. And like other Yeezys, it doesn't seem to show a lot of wear. And that's a real good thing. Every Jordan shows wear instantly, right? But in ash gray, I can wear these with my khaki joggers. I can wear these with any of my shorts. The 500 comes in those subdued colors. This is the practical shoe from the Yeezy lineup. The Yeezy 500 is that one shoe from Adidas that doesn't squeak like a siren when you walk on a hardwood floor. You could wear this to the bank and not draw attention from security. Okay, I was wrong. It also says Adidas over here. Okay, you happy? I know one of you was going to point that out. My only real gripe with this shoe is the sizing. Adidas says order true to size. I ordered size 10. You can't try it on in the store or nothing. Nope, you got to just blindly order on confirmed. I got my size 10 super crazy fast. It was almost next day air for free. But maybe I should have went with a 10.5. Am I true to size 10.5? Is that the honest truth here? Is my foot just considered too wide for this? Because, man, the toe box really cramped. And that was even with my thinnest socks, which are actually Adidas socks. Still, I was able to walk around. I warmed up to it slightly. I just wish I had a little more room. But you know what? I'm gonna say what all the sneakerheads are afraid to say. The 500 is the best Yeezy shoe. This is the one practical, actual sneaker you could wear, walk around the city, not draw too much damn attention, and actually be fairly comfortable if you got the right size. Yeah, this beats the 350 in comfort. It beats the 700. And as of this recording, they're fairly available. So you might want to jump on that if you are looking to complete your Yeezy lineup, as I kind of have. Though I am missing the Knit Runner, which looks stupid, and the 750, which they never made for a reasonable price in a quantity any human from Kansas could actually acquire.
Hey, it's Vaughn's mom again, so I just wanted to remind you that instead of buying Vaughn's weird pictures online in various states of undress, you can just bookmark his Amazon affiliate link, and then when you shop Throw It on Amazon, he gets a few pennies here and there.